Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Lyca mobile phone number in 2026. Now, in order to find your Lyca mobile phone number, you just have to dial some of the numbers. So you need to simply open your phone's dialer, and inside it, you just have to simply enter star. Then you need to press 613, and then you need to simply press hash. So once you press this on the dialer, within just a few seconds your Lyca mobile number should appear on the screen. Now in many regions you can also try *97 hash or *132 hash if the first code doesn't work for you. Now you can also find the mobile number using your phone's settings. So if you are using an iPhone, you just have to go to its settings, then tap on the option of cellular, and then look for your Lyca mobile line. Your phone number may be displayed there. On Android, you need to go to the settings, then go to the SIM manager section, and there you can check the SIM information. Now another simple option is by opening the Lyca mobile application or coming here on Lyca mobile's website and then login into your account. Now your mobile number is typically displayed on your account's dashboard when you log in into it. Now if you still have the original SIM packaging, you can also check the card holder or the booklet, and in many cases you will find your phone number, your SIM number, or your PUK code that will be printed on that as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.